2009 Chevy Suburban. Out here in this windy ass Pacific Northwest day. Oh shit. It's like May 20th and 19th and weather's still terrible. Like what the hell? Anyways, we are working on a Chevy Suburban and I just wanted to show this is what you call wore out swaybar endlinks. Look at this side. They don't have no bushings in. We are putting a set of swaybar endlinks on this thing. And we also had to pull the differential out to do the motor mount. Got that all changed. Now we're doing swaybar endlinks. Hope you guys are having a great day.